Now we are here to see how to use the external hard disk initially at removing point. See, first initially I have removed from the new cover, and then see the plug which would be setting the external hard disk, and then plug it over the hard disk first, and then plug the other end. See over here, the pen drive type end to the laptop port. And then after connecting, open this PC, and then see the backup plus this is the drive which we have bought, 2 TB drive. See, open it, nothing there to do with, and then you have to create a folder. I am creating IOP just for you, and then now you can transfer any files into this. That's it friends, for the Windows. There is no other serious issues, it's very simple. And then the only thing you need to do is, while coming out of the drive, you need to do is, see, first initially close this and then open this, and then see over here, can you see, right click over there, and then see over there eject BUP slim. This you have to do, otherwise your hard disk may be getting cracked or getting some virus. See, now it's showing safe to remove. Now you can remove your hard disk. Now after it has shown safe to remove hardware, you can now remove your hardware. That's it friends, thank you, see you on the next video.